How to add resume in LinkedIn. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Vishnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can add resume in LinkedIn. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through quick and easy with this video. First things first, in order to add resume to your LinkedIn profile, you want to simply open up LinkedIn application. Here now you want to head over to your profile. In order to head over to your profile, you want to first tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and then let it load up. Under your name, you'll find the option that says view profile. You want to tap on it. Now once you head over to your profile, here you can see various options here, right? Now if you just tap on add section option on the screen, then you'll see the option to set up your profile in minutes with a resume. You can upload a recent resume to fill out your profile with the help of AI. So you can simply tap on get started and go ahead and add your resume. So this is how you can add resume in your LinkedIn. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.